Hi, I'm Bobby Rose. To those who are new to my channel, welcome, and to others, welcome back. Make sure you subscribe to become a part of my YouTube family. Why? Because I bring to you DIY and lifestyle videos. DIYs that I know you can do. I encourage you to tap in to your creativity every week, knowing that you can do it. So, if you see any videos that you like, please make a comment and I'll continue to bring to you those type of videos. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and become a part of my YouTube family where you will receive DIY and lifestyle videos every week. Thank you. Hi, I decided to show this again. I'm going to be transforming a swivel stool to an end table. I got it from Goodwill and I got it for $6.50. Of course, it didn't look brand new. There was tape on the stool, so once it came off, for them to ring it up, there was some damage to the vinyl. So I got it for $6.50 and it's swivel. You saw where I looked it up and it was originally from Wayfair at that astronomical price. So it's swivel, so I had to cut in on the bottom to get to the screws to loosen it. And I had to use an Allen wrench to loosen it. I plan to use the swivel part later, maybe for a lazy Susan, for a picnic or somewhat. And the cushion, I plan to use that later on for a footstool, but something, much lower than this swivel stool that it was initially. And here you see me removing the swivel base. It's not that hard to do. If you ever bought anything from IKEA or somewhere else, they will send you the Allen wrench or whatever you need to put it together. I always save all of my tools that come with the furniture you have to put together. And you can see the Band-Aid on my arm, and that's from my allergy shots. I get those every week. I didn't think to pull that off. Oh well. So it's coming loose rather well, and those are the pieces that I took out using the Allen wrench. And there we have it. I will be taking the swivel part off. For right now, I just moved the bottom part from the stool, from the cushion. So there are more to remove, and I will be keeping these handy. They may come in handy for something else in the future that I might want to create. So I always keep my screws, washers, and remember to keep your tools that come with any furniture from IKEA, anything, Wayfair. Just keep all of those tools. They will come in handy. And this was rather easy to do, and you can do this. So I did it. It was easy, and I know you can do it. Now, I bought this separate piece here as a sign that I thought would be large enough to fit on it. But I didn't think ahead because there was a bottom on the bottom of the stool that I will end up using. I had to do some patchwork to it, but you'll see that. But this one here was just a few, maybe a quarter or an eighth of an inch too small. So I will be using something else I really considered using this, but I just like, I have to go all out and get this right. I can't have anything looking half done. So yeah, that wasn't going to work out for me. So after I figured out that it really wasn't going to do the job, I'm like, hey, there's got to be something else. I'm not going to order anything off Amazon. I did look on Amazon, but I didn't want to order anything off Amazon. So you'll see later on where I just hit myself on the head and go, there's something on the bottom of this stool. So I took that out. I just cut it away. And I'll be using that. And here I'm showing you the bottom that came out of there, and where I patched it with some air dry clay from Dollar Tree. It didn't come out as perfect as I wanted to, but it did the job. After it dried, I sanded it down, and I used some paint. I was out of primer, so I used some ready-to-use Ultra paint from Walmart, their Color Praise brand, and that's what I did the base on. So here you can see a little bit of the area where I filled in, but it's really not that serious. And so I just love this color paint here. It's metallic by Rust-Oleum, and it is such a beautiful color. It is called burnished amber, and it's really beautiful once it goes on. It's flat, but it has like a metallic finish, and I just love it. I will be using it more in the future on future projects. I just really love this color. It's such a rich brown, and I think it has a little red undertone to it, but not too much. But it is a beautiful color that I really love. And it matches some other things in my room, and I'll show you that later on. And I was just so excited, elated with how it turned out. As you can see, you still can see the impressions of where I feel. But once I put the table together, you can't really see what's there. And you see how it matches. Now this chair, I reupholstered this chair at least 8 years ago. I had no idea that burnished amber would really match that close. And you see how it came out? I just really love it. Don't you? Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. Make sure you hit the bell to get notifications. Let me know how you like this video by dropping me a comment. Follow me on Instagram, Bobby Rose of Florida. That's Bobby Rose of Florida, spelling Bobby with an I-E. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Until next time, goodbye.